Hello everyone, welcome back my people. You already know there is never a dumb movement in Nigeria. Just when we think we have seen it all, another big twist drop, and this one, it is shocking the entire judiciary. The latest update from Abuja says Judge Omotoyin, the one handling NNAMDI KANU case, has received a shocking query from an American lawyer. And trust me, the whole legal system is now in panic mode. So here is what is going on. The reporters reaching out severally that an American-based lawyer has officially written to Nigeria judiciary, raising serious concern about how the Nnamdi Kanu trial is being conducted. According to the letter, there are questions about whether due process and fair hearing are being followed, and the lawyer even refers to international human rights standard. Now, this move has caused serious tension within the judiciary. Some insiders says the query did not just stop with Judge Omotoyin, it is already reaching top judiciary authority. And people are wondering, could this be the beginning of another international storm around Nnamdi Kanu case? Of course, Nigeria are already reacting online. One person on Twitter said, if America get involved in Kanu matter, then the judiciary will have a lot to explain. No one or no more sweeping things under the carpet. Another user wrote, this is not just an ordinary query, something big is definitely happening behind the scenes. If they did not have a case, they should just release the man. And one person come to add again say Judge Omotoyin will have to do a lot of explanation. Dat American lawyer is not just joking. My people, social media is buzzing, everywhere is hot, even inside the court circle there says there are quiet emergency meeting going on to manage the situation. Now this could change everything if the query get at ten tion from international legal body. It might push the Nigerian government to review how they have handled Kanu de ten tion and trial. And you know, once international pressure start, things do not stay the same. Interesting day my people. Honestly, at this point I don't even know who to believe anymore, but one thing is clear, the Nnamdi Kanu trial is for from far over a year plus now. These new tweaks might just expose things the public did not know about. Anyway my people, what do you think about this? Will this international query make any real difference, or will it just fade away like every other Nigeria case? Drop your thought in the comment section. I would love to read all what you think. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe because this story is only getting started. Anyway, let me allow you to watch this next clip and hear what Nigeria themselves are saying about these new tweaks. Interesting days ahead, my people.
Kanu. I have seen very important personalities advising Omotosho on the sensitivity of this case and why he should be careful on any action he is about to take, because right now he is the face of the case, not the people pulling the strings behind his back. And most recently, Nnamdi Kanu's international lawyer by name of Bruce Fein, yes, barrister or lawyer Bruce Fein, an American lawyer, one who has stood firmly with Nnamdi Kanu throughout the years. Yes, he wrote an open letter to Omotosho. You can imagine. He wrote an open letter cautioning Omotosho on the consequences of any negative judgment he is thinking or is about to declare on Nnamdi Kanu's case in the coming days. I will read that letter to you. But for many of you who do not know Bruce Fein, This man was the one that was meant to represent Nnamdi Kanu in court, but he was kicked out on the first day he came, citing that he is not a Nigerian lawyer. He is not called to bar in Nigeria. He was thrown out of the court, and since then, the man has been advocating for Nnamdi Kanu's release in the UN, the US, and many things that the man has achieved for Nnamdi Kanu that we are celebrating today, many of the judgments outside the country. It is this man called Bruce Fein that has made it possible. I'm also going to give you 5 shocking impacts that Bruce Fein has done for Maaz Nnamdi Kanu. Many of them you know, many you do not know that he was actually the one that did it. But for now, let me read the open, point-blank letter that Bruce Fein, wrote to Omotosho. Listen to this. Bruce Fein, the U.S. consul to the detained leader of the IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has written to Justice James Omotosho of Nigeria's Federal High Court in Abuja, demanding the dismissal of all charges against the IPOB leader on grounds of lack of jurisdiction. In a letter dated October 28, 2025, and titled Dismissal of Prosecution of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for Lack of Jurisdiction, Fein argued that the Nigerian government should not benefit from what he described as its own criminality in the process that led to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's rendition to Nigeria.